Today is Tuesday, May 17th. Happy National Walnut Day. I want to take a look at a couple of stocks in the news this morning. I really don't mean to pick on retail, but this is what's happening. Home Depot kills it on earnings. The stock jumps up in the pre-market and then opens lower. And here's the chart, current trading. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning New York time as we record this. I'll put some lines in here. You can see that it depends on where you want to draw this, the bottom of this rectangle pattern, where you want to draw the top. I guess we have to include the highest high there. So you see that, if you just look at the daily chart without the pre-market, it doesn't look like much. Okay, it went down on earnings. But now I already drew in where the stock traded early this morning after its news. And you could see it traded way up there around 139-ish, right after the earnings news was released. Now let's extend this bar out here. Just going to put it in black just to sort of blend in with what's going on. And if you look at the bar like this, now you got yourself a breakout failure and a pretty big reversal day, assuming, of course, that the stock stays where it is, stays low. So this is a pretty bad sign. You have great news on the earnings front and very poor market action. So let's look at another one that happened this morning. TJX. You can see it just jumped up at the open. You don't have to worry about the pre-market. And it's back in the green right now as we speak, but you can see it was negative for a bit early in the day. So blockbuster earnings, great news, one of the few bright lights in retail land, and then it trades like this. So again, the jury's still out. You got a lot of trading to go today before you can make a decision on what's going on, but this is just not a good look, not a good action on good earnings. Okay, here we go. Sorry, we have the magic of editing in there. This is Children's Place. One more to look at. I did this in the videos a couple days ago as an example of a textbook double top, and I left the line in from that chart where I thought the target was going to be. This is 66. I said 66 or so, but here it is coming down pretty close. And you knew something was up with this big volume day yesterday, but of course you don't know what. But I thought this would be a good place to take a risk down in this area. I think it had reached the target set by the double top. There was also a channel target in there and Fibonacci retracements, the whole deal. Go back and review that video. But see what happened when even in a bad retail environment, we have a stock that followed its technicals and gave us a good buy signal. So I don't want to say I predicted a bounce here. I just want to say that we had a good risk-reward ratio for a buy in that area on Children's Place. So anyway, I don't want to bash retail any further, but you saw what happened with Home Depot and TJX, that you had some good news, bad market action, and that's just not a good sign going forward.